Yep, you guessed right. It's fire alarm testing time. This is the same Wheelock NS I tested in the last video, but there's something different. I got my other 3 alarms right here. We're going to be testing all 3 of them. Or 4 of them. Sorry, that was a fail. But anyways. We'll be sounding off this NS first. Since, you know, it's already wired up. My parents are gone, so I can test it all. I can test this all I want. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here's the first one. Okay. Now let's wire up the second one. Okay. Here's the first one. Alright. Now we're going to be wiring in my second one. I'm doing this off camera because, you know, who wants to see that? No one, that's who. I may just end up editing this out so you won't hear it at all, but I may make an extended version. Okay. Here we go. So, just gotta get my other one up. Damn it. Here we go. And here we go. Just need to fix one of this other wire. Hold on. Here we go. Second one. This is the one that reads 3, I believe. If I tested the... Nope, this is 35. I just tested 3, so here's 35. I don't know what the 35 stands for, but whatever. I don't really care about that. The only thing I care about is that if these things work, because if not, then it's going to be disappointing. And by the way, I'm wearing hearing protection. So, here we go in 3... Oh, whoops. Oh, no, this is the right way. My color coded, I reversed it a little bit. It's alright, though. Alright, anyways, here we go in 3, 2, 1. For some reason, that one sounds louder. I don't know why. Take the wire out of this one. That one just sounded louder for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, now I'm going to be testing number 12. This one, the one with the dark cover. 312 with 35. And then I'll be doing an all-tones test of my MT. I can already assure you the MT is going to be much louder than these two. I still wear hearing protection just because, you know. And I also had a fire drill today, which is pretty funny. It's pretty nice. Faraday 6120s going off a continuous. Love it. Alright. There we go. Third one. Yeah, I can wire these up pretty fast. It's really simple. When you just got 3 9-volts and these wires and stuff, it's easy. Anyways, here we go. Third fire alarm in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And now for the big star, the Wheelock MT. Yep, multi-tone. I believe that's what MT stands for. I believe MT stands for multi-tone. Anyways, here we are. Now the MT. Now this one is going to be crazy. So. Alright, so. Damn it. Hold on a second. I just need to check something. Okay. So this is reversed on this one. So negative is black. So I put negative to black, obviously. Oh, I'm so nervous about testing this MT because it's gonna sound a lot louder than the NS. Oh, jeez. This one's making me nervous. I don't know if anybody else is hearing this, but I mean, obviously my parents aren't, and my door's closed, and this is in a shit. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I just one of the wires is acting up on me. Oh wow, it's because I put it in the wrong way. Wow. Hold on. The MT is a bit of a pain in the butt to wire, but here we go. So it's currently set on code 3 tone right now. Whoops. One of this wire is a little loose. I gotta tighten the damn screw a little. Here we go. Okay, I thought I was hearing something in my ears. So it's currently set on code 3 tone right now. And of course I'll do the others. And this is just horn. Horn only. 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoops. I guess I wired this in wrong, apparently. Easy, just reverse the batteries. That's all I need to do. Okay. Here we go. And in 3, 2, 1. Code 3 tone because that one's the best. Oh, jeez. Alright, dip switch. All of them are up. Oh, shit. And I have this on low volume, too. That's the other thing. Oh, this one's going to be loud. I think this one's continuous. I don't know. Yep, that one's continuous. I already did dip switch 2, so dip switch 3 down. Here we go. I don't know which one this is. That's bell. Alright, dip switch 3 up and 4 down. I don't know which one this one is. I'll tell you in about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Code 3 horn. Alright, so dip switch 2 and 3 down and 4 up. I don't know which one this is either. Here we go. Wait, actually, let's just do dip switch 2 up and 3 and 4 down. I don't know which one this is. I think this is slow whoop, but I don't know. Nope, it was siren. Alright, now dip switch 2 down and 3 up. I believe this is march time horn. I think it's march time horn. That one was slow whoop. Now dip switch 3 down and 4 up. This one has to be march time because I know all 3 of them down is high-low. So here's march time horn. And now dip switch 4 down. All of them down. Here we have high-low. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And just to torture you guys, I'll have to do it again. So here we got continuous. And this is going to get the camera trouble because it's so freaking loud. Dip switch 2 down. This is hot, code 3 tone. This is my favorite tone of every single tone on the Wheelock MT. Has to be code 3 tone. Here we go. Alright, now dip switch 2 back up and dip switch 3 down. This is bell. This one's annoying. I don't know why they have this one. Alright. Now dip switch 3 up and 4 down. Code 3 horn, I'm guessing? I don't remember. I think it was code 3 horn. It was. Alright, now dip switch 3 down, 2 up. Siren, I think. I think I'm right. Siren. Yep. Dip switch 2 down and 3 up. This one is slow whoop. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. I hate that one for some reason. 3 down, 4 up. Here's march time horn. I like this one for some reason. I like march time. 3, 2, 1. And now dip switch 4 down, all of them down. And now high-low. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.